In this tutorial, we'll learn how to bookmark a shared workbook in Oracle Fusion Data Intelligence, or FDI. As an HR manager, I need to access a shared workbook frequently. I want to save time by creating a workbook link or bookmark and share the bookmark with my team. I can access bookmarked workbooks from the navigation menu on the menu bar from wherever I'm working in FDI. This enables me to quickly open a workbook without searching or unnecessary navigation. I'll begin by finding the workbook that I want to bookmark. I'll click Navigator and then Catalog. Next, I'll expand Shared Folders and then Oracle. Here, FDI provides reusable pre-built content by FDI Pillar, including metrics and workbooks designed to help answer a wide variety of business questions. These workbooks act as the starting point for my business use cases, and I can edit them to suit my specific needs. In my case, I want to bookmark a workbook based on pre-built HCM content. So from the Oracle folder, I'll expand Fusion HCM to open the Workforce Management Workbook. I'll click Edit to make the changes I need. For example, I'll set the filter for business unit name to US1 Business Unit and the job family to Accounting. I can edit, delete, or move the visualizations. Now I'll click Save Control and then Save As. To add a workbook link to the navigation menu, the workbook must be saved within a user-created shared folder that I have access to, such as the Collaboration folder. This excludes the Oracle Shared folder. Before I choose a shared folder to save in, I'll replace the default workbook name with Workforce Management Workbook. Now I'll select Shared Folders to choose my destination folder. In the Collaboration folder, I notice that the Add to Navigation menu option is available. An important note here is that I must save the workbook within the first top-level shared folder. It cannot be a secondary or subfolder. For example, if I go into Performance Management or add a new subfolder, the Add to Navigation menu option is no longer available. So I'll select Add to Navigation menu to bookmark this workbook and then save. Once the workbook is saved, I want to check that my bookmark works. I'll close this workbook. I can click the navigation menu to verify my bookmark is available. I'll expand Collaboration, which is a shared folder name, and select the bookmarked workbook. Anyone with access to this workbook will also see the bookmark in their navigation menu. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Fusion Data Intelligence in the links below.